Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE finished in black. This 2024 model comes with a 3-litre D300 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night. And this car stands on 22-inch, 7-spoke, diamond-turned with gloss black contrasting alloy wheels. This Range Rover features around 800 litres of usable boot space capacity when measured into the roofline, allowing room for several large luggage items or even a pram and golf clubs. There is also adjustable air suspension to help lift those heavier items into the car, as well as automatic boot close buttons located at the top and the bottom. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the ebony interior with the matching ebony leather seats. There are isofix points located on these seats, as well as a fold-down armrest which does house a storage compartment as well as 2 cup holders in the end. Passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent, which does also include 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way up front, we see the continuation of that ebony interior with some highlighting contrast on the dash and door sills. The seats are the same as in the back, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, and they are electronically operated via the controls on the doors. Taking a closer look at the 2-spoke multifunctional leather-wrapped steering wheel, we will find controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the voice control, and on the right for the cruise control and heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit itself has different display layout options to best suit driver preference, including dial map and focused. Speaking of maps, the main touchscreen infotainment system does include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can also access radio with FM and DAB, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through Bluetooth. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the icon in the bottom left we can bring up the rear view parking camera as well as the 3D and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Below that there is a covered storage pocket to hold your phone while driving with a USB-C port, and behind the centre console there are 2 cup holders beneath this sliding tray, and they can also be slid back for additional storage. Finally, the leather-wrapped armrest can also be lifted up to reveal more storage as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Range Rover HSE. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.